Hey there, it's Brooke with WTI. My sons and I both have really dry skin, especially when it is wintertime, and using baby oil isn't always convenient, but I love the moisturizing factor of it. So thankfully, I have found these wipes by Pharma-C company. They are baby oil wipes, and originally when I opened them, I actually thought that they had dried out, but they look dry, but they are so moisturizing and oily without leaving an oily residue. I really like that I am able to use this on my baby, and then I can change him into his clothes right away without worrying that I'm going to get an oily, greasy mark on his clothes. So that's really great. Because these are enriched with almond and sunflower oils and vitamin E and aloe vera, they have a light floral almond scent, which I really like. Whether your babies or yourself have dry skin and need some very lotioning oil, I highly recommend these wipes. It is so much more convenient than carrying a bottle of oil around. You don't have to worry it's gonna spill, and these will last you a really long time. I really love the scent, and I love how convenient they are, and that's my point of view.